multi ayna se jagah khan dikhai dibo. Welcome back to my channel. I'll show you the place where I'm traveling. See the beautiful views, so keep on looking. Big spider. This is the view. Look at the beautiful view. It's just the view. Look at the beautiful view. There is the view. सबै जग्गा हिमन भाव हिमाल सधैँ see Aquarium. Look at those fishes. Look at the shark. This is the shark, stingray, and like don't know about the fish. See, this is the grouper. Shark. Look at the shark. Mr. Shark, come on, look here. Wow, stingray. See, grouper. Oh, that is a species of shark. It's a shark family. Wow, stingray. Hello, Mr. Stingray. Sabi de. Itu aquarium te mas kan sabi. Ini ase de. Sabi lain करना चाह रहे.
Big shark.
Oh. Mana kan pitoti jenu nyakile je. Pele to bishi dam ase. Gusile na paro. Shark. Oh, dangur stingray. Moi zoom करना दिखाई दियो. Sabi shark kan stingray. Do shark ase. Look at this shark, see how massive. Oh, there is a massive stingray out there. It's very big. You can see a lot of fishes. There's one shark coming on. I don't know its species. Yeah, it's a shark. There is a grouper, but it's not coming out. So, yeah. There is another kind of shark is there, but it went there. We'll come back. Shark. Yeah, it's coming. See, we have different kind of fish. Hey, come here. See a lot of fishes. There's a lot of fish. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you. Thank you for cooperating with me. See, look at this beautiful fishes. Wow. See, that's a fish. Oh. It is inside the mall. Wow, big shark. It's coming. It's a shark. Grouper. Oh, big shark. Wow, thank you. Beautiful shark. It's natural. It's not artificial. It's all natural. All are natural fishes. All are natural fish. Fish, waterfall. Look at the waterfall. This is the waterfall. Sabi waterfall. Sabi waterfall sabi. Waterfall sabi waterfall sabi itu mana gua panala saya. Ini waterfall sabi saya. Man sungguh waterfall. We're in Chinatown. Look at the panda. It's a China gate. It's Chinatown. Look at the panda. That's a panda. And it's a gate, China gate.